My 3-hour live stream apparently had 23 TikTok-worthy moments. I had no idea. But before I show you exactly how I discovered this goldmine and how you can do the same, make sure to click that link in the description below for an exclusive discount on Opus Clip. Trust me, you'll want this deal. So, here's what happened. I uploaded my marathon live stream to Opus Clip, and within minutes, this AI had dissected my content like a digital surgeon, finding viral moments I completely missed. Here's the step-by-step breakdown of how to use Opus Clip like a pro. First, upload your long-form video. Podcasts, live streams, webinars, whatever you've got. The AI works best with content that's at least 15 minutes long, so don't worry about those epic 2-hour sessions. Next, let the AI work its magic. It analyzes your entire video for hooks, emotional peaks, and engaging moments. Each clip gets a virality score from 1 to 100. Anything above 70, that's your golden ticket to TikTok fame. Now here's where it gets fun. You can customize everything. Change the aspect ratio for different platforms, adjust the captions, add your branding. The AI even highlights keywords automatically, which apparently increases watch time by 65%. Pro tip: don't just take the highest scoring clips. Sometimes a 60-score clip with better context performs better than a 90-score random moment. Finally, use the scheduler to post directly to your platforms or download and upload manually if you're old school like me. The result? I went from spending hours editing clips to having 23 ready-to-post videos in under 10 minutes. Ready to find your hidden viral moments? Click that link in the description for your special discount and start turning your long content into short-form gold. Your future viral self will thank you.